Hi everyone, so this is a follow-up to the video I made on the sensor, the air quality sensor for 3D printing. So this will be a demonstration of it being used. So enjoy. Okay, so we finished printing. It's been about just over 2 hours, and it did go red, as you can see. About an hour in, it went yellow, and then it turned red at the second half. So this means there's about 100 parts per million of TFOX, or TVOC that is, and it means basically I should open a window, have some airflow going. It's not too bad though. I was in the room at the same time, about 2 meters away from the printer, so could have picked up some carbon dioxide from me breathing. Apart from that, it's worked. So yeah, see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course follow my Instagram and YouTube, and you'll see more videos soon.